morning, everyone. It's another beautiful day here in Tucson, Arizona. And our friends Jeff and Penny have been staying with us for a few days. They're gonna leave today, but we're gonna try out their electric bicycles. Now, I've never been on one. I'm not even a great bike rider, so we're gonna go try that out. And then I think we're gonna go check out some ostriches. I don't know what that's about, but they keep talking about ostriches. So we'll see if we do that later today. Come join me on a bike ride.
Wherever I go, I will always know everything I need is right here with me. It's time to let it all go.
6 is power, no power assist on the pedals.
Yeah.
Throttle only. 5, all the boost in the pedals. 3 is a great place to start.
So my buddy Jeffrey came over to visit us. He's been hanging out in our little RV parking spot for $5 a day. It's been spectacular. Been really enjoying it. He's got these cool electric bikes. He's letting us ride around, goof off. Pretty fun. Of course, this being Desert Trails RV park, there's many desert trails for us to go down. 60 miles, actually, of trails that we can go down. Whoa! All right, let's do this.
All right, nice and easy. Don't crash. Yeah. If you crash light.
I probably will, but that's all right. Because I'm not
remember your brake
even sure how to get up on.
Drop. Go.
I know you are having problems, so you can stand up.
That pedal does kick in.
And we need to put blocks on your feet. See, when you jump off, though, I mean, you just kind of like lay the bike to the side, you know.
I think if it's slow enough, I can just step off of it. It's been a long time since I've been on a bike, though.
That's it.
It's so far down!
Oh my God. I'm dying. I thought I was dying.
Well, how'd you do?
Dismount wasn't graceful, but the rest of it was alright.
I got to like here, and then I couldn't get my leg off, so I tipped over.
It's time to find out what the Rooster Cogburn Ostrich Ranch Roadside Oddity is all about. In 1993, DC Rooster Cogburn moved to the Sonoran Desert and began raising ostriches. In 1999, he opened the ranch to the public. Then, disaster struck. A hot air balloonist spooked the ostrich herd, prompting a stampede. The present-day dinosaurs smashed everything in their path, including each other, killing over 1,000 ostriches. The ranch was no more, but the Cogburns still had a roadside attraction, and in order to survive, they geared towards becoming like a petting zoo, but with pizzazz.
So here we are at Rooster Cogburns, in the parking lot, setting up our Starlink satellite, because this is the address that we got to work. I'm super ecstatic about it. We're gonna get internet, and then we're gonna go check up some ostriches. Follow along, see if we connect to the internet finally for the first time with the satellite, the Starlink satellite. And we'll go look at some ostriches and maybe get some ostrich eggs for breakfast. We're currently an hour drive away from our campsite that we're staying at. Unfortunately, I can't get the address to work there, but there's a new roaming feature with the Starlink satellites that I should be able to use it on the highway in between here and there if I had 110 connection, which I don't in this truck yet. And they're actually working on setting up a 12 volt connection for this, but they haven't come out with it yet. So we won't be able to keep it connected all the way home, but once we get home, theoretically, it should work once I do the initial update on this. I'll have a working truck, I'll have working internet, I'll have a working camper. My life is gonna be really good.
Happy camper.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a happy camper.
Visitors are given a tumbler full of food, specific instructions, and then they're set loose onto the critter trail for a unique experience. Ostrich ranches are among America's oldest roadside attractions, and this one just so happens to be the largest in the world outside of Africa.
following the rules like a good girl.
Tell me my fingers bit. I don't know how to feed an ostrich. They're pretty scary up close. So basically the pellets are for almost everything. This is for the little birds in the cage. That one's for the orchids. Always wanted a little dumpy and a miniature horse. Like a Dexter cow. Feed me! Feed my hole! Feed my hole! Can't help breathing! Can't help breathing! Oh, look at her! Did they catch it?
Gotcha.
There's like more. Look at them all.
I'm sitting here wide open, champ. Nice. Aw. Come here. Good job. You're so cute. Who's ready? All right, guys.
I like the animals.
Just think, none of these guys are real. They're all the remnants of 1987 when Ronald Reagan replaced them all with drones. They look so real, though.
What you doing there, Jacqueline?
Found a hungry one. This guy's going at it, man. He's hungry.
Hold it. I've had it popped up and I chewed it.
What do you think, Jacqueline?
All those little boxes.
That's fun.
Keep feeling them like.
Conveyor belt some feed up to these boer goats. Why are they in the air? They're climbers. They like to be high. Elevated goats.
Put a piece of feed between your lips and move in for the best goat kiss ever. Jacqueline's on it.
They look so kissable.
Yeah, you put it in your mouth and then they'll take it from you.
Feels like the first time.
Ah, a new one pops out.
Feels like I've never been in love before.
I'm not doing it.
Got a little tongue in that one.
You almost got me.
Oh, so deep. Oh, so deep. You're not a bad boy. And that's why
He spit it out. The ostriches. Quite a piercing you got there, buddy. So you don't bite me, huh? Whoa. Ah. Ah!
He's too trying to eat the bucket.
My gimbal's all excessive vibration detected. Yeah, you just got bit by an ostrich.
These birds are terrifying. But
What's the plan here?
They eat it out of your hand?
Whoa! How'd that feel? You want to kiss the ostrich? No.
Ay, ay, ay.
oh, show a little leg, ladies.
Who got sexy
Show a
leg?
little leg. Little hoof right there. One coming out of the booth. You bad girl.
Jeff with his jokes. Hungry, but I'm gonna get to be your friend. Oh, you're slobbery.
Gross.
Did you see that? It was like stretching
Yeah.
in the wind. Wharf goat. Oh, you're standing on your friend.
Seriously, eyes, don't they?
Give me that kiss. Go. You're not pooping on me, are you? Yeah.
Strawberry asparagus?
Yeah, probably for the tortoises.
They're African sulcatas. They live to be 100 years old. These guys are probably, the bigger they are, the older they are, and these guys are probably in maybe 30s or 40s. Some maybe the bigger ones 50s. They're really wonderful. They're very intelligent and friendly, and you can come in and pet them. They have nerve endings under their shells so they can feel it when you pet them. You can pet their heads. They're just super nice. They have great personalities, and you'll see. Sometimes we'll overreach, and we don't. If they overreach, they'll grab a finger. So.
Okay, good to know.
Do it out.
This guy's kind of mean. He was just picking on the other one too.
Wrong one.
Back a little bit. Okay.
You can rub their head.
Right through the trail.
You know, like a pack of wolves? Well, that's a group of tortoises or turtles is called a troop.
Oh, how interesting.
I know,
How
isn't
cool.
that's funny.
What do you think about Tortoise Town?
It's good to slow down every now and again.
Heard. It's happening! I have the internet! Yes!
Mad scientist in the back of the truck over here. Those people think I'm a mad scientist.
Let's see, where's my Starlink? Online. Look at that. Online. 110 megabytes a second upload.
That's really fast.
130 megabytes a second download, 30 megabytes a second upload.
30 up.
That's excellent. Oh yeah, I like that spot way better.
That's like double the speed.
Holy smokes.
What's the upload?
Slower. Oh man, this was fun. I'm really glad we came out here and did this. Pretty neat. There's lots of fun stuff to do. And if you got kids, this is the place to bring them, man. I'll tell you. I had fun. I'm still a kid. You'll have fun too. If you don't like animals, unsubscribe right now. If you do like animals, hit that subscribe button. Like our video, double subscribe. No wait, don't double subscribe. Triple subscribe. Join us on our next adventure.
Hey, what do you call two tortoises getting it on? I don't know, what do you call two tortoises getting it on? A slowpoke! Hey! You can support Destination Now for as little as $3 a month. Head over to Patreon, there's a link in the description below.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. It
Perfect.
just fits right.
That's beautiful.